Hello guys, welcome back for a new video, and today I'll be reviewing another locomotive. This is, again, a Walters mainline. Is the GE es44ac, Canadian National, number 2939. And this is a DCC sound-equipped locomotive. My first one, so I'm still kind of new to the DCC, sound-equipped stuff. But the box. Get back. Now let's get it open. I got this product off Otter Valley Railroad. Great company. I find that the Walters boxes are very tedious. I don't know, it's just a little hard to get your locomotive out. Get out of here. It's also your, whatever this stuff means. You have your manual. And then, here's the locomotive itself. Here. I'm just gonna remove this little piece of foam. It is much more detailed than my es44ac. Again, it's a Walters mainline. But here is the locomotive. It has a lot more detail than my other one. Has the sunshades on them. Still does not have any grab irons. I think that's just Walters mainline. The trucks are a lot more detailed, I find. It is also a way more modern locomotive than my other one, than the es44ac. I'm not sure exactly when they were built, but I know that they're a lot more modern than the es44ac. In real life, of course, but I think this one is still a little bit older than that Walters es44ac. It also has a full interior. Don't know if you guys can see it that well. Yeah, it's like a full interior. If I figure out a way to get access in there, might put some figurines in there. And you also have your just cab looks a lot different than the es44ac. I was used to EMDs, but it's my first. Alright, sorry if the video cut out there. I ran out of freaking iPad storage. You know what? I don't understand that. I have like 3 videos and they're all like 30 seconds long, but still says I have so much storage. But anyways, I'm gonna get the track set up so we can test out the sound on this thing. So I'll be right back. Right, we got her set up on the track. Now, I don't have the DCC like controller, so I'm just using like a regular Kato like standard DC pack, so I can't control the sound, but yeah, so let's get her started. Just have to make sure. Hold on. I think I might have the wire upside down. Just give me 1 second. There you go. It's your startup. Bring you guys closer to it. Hear that beautiful, beautiful sound. Very nice. Sounds like the sound, the speakers in the back, so I think it is. So let's get it running. Takes a while to start up for like sound, but can get it moving. Just gotta wait a minute. It is supposed to be more realistic, but takes a while to start up. Should go any second. There you go. There it goes. It even has the little braking noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a little noise. Beautiful locomotive, though. Gotta give Walter some credit there. Your brakes. I don't know if you can hear it very well. And put in reverse. If you put in reverse, you do have to start over the sound. This is the control I'm using. It's not the, it's not a professional DCC setup. But, yeah. So, start backing up. Beautiful engine, though. Wonderful locomotive. I'm always scared to drive the locomotive off the track and fall on the ground, but I think I'm smarter than that. One more time. Alright, let's start it up. Alright, starting up. I love the sounds. So, yeah, that will be the end for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And, yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.